What I love about architecture is inspiring people and taking their ideas and showing them different ways of achieving their goals than what's expected. I'm Nathan of Nathan Fell Architecture, and this is my home, the Bienville House, located in Mid-City, New Orleans, Louisiana. There's a mix of materials that you can see on the outside. Materials such as ipe wood, raw board formed concrete that's been sealed, fiber cement cladding, and lots of glass. There's a dialogue between what's happening inside and out. And that's the theme that I ran with in the creation of this home. So why don't we go inside and take a closer look. My family and I love being outside, but we also love being in a city. And that's achieved through transparency and these 12-foot high, floor-to-ceiling, sliding glass doors that surround the entire space. We wanted all of these raw materials such as the board formed concrete, the concrete floor. We have the fiber cement ceiling that's appropriate for exterior conditions to be brought through to the inside space. And it's really not clear what's inside and what's out. You'll notice in these materials, there's not much color. So when selecting the furniture, we tried to bring that color in to the extent that we could. We have very vivid blue seat and ottoman, and we have a very bubblegum pink rug. And we balance that out with a gray sofa that seems to better blend with the materials beyond the glass. Of course, you'll notice that the walnut-clad cabinetry forms a wall that extends all the way from the living room through the kitchen and into the dining space. Here, there's a nook for the television and drawers and cabinets for whatever we need to get comfortable in the living room. Well, we actually cook, so we wanted the kitchen to be functional, but also fit the aesthetic of the house. The first thing that we had to decide on was the island. We went with black granite because we wanted the material to be neutral and not compete with some of the other raw materials that were happening in the space. An added benefit of this black granite is that it's reflective. You'll notice throughout the home, we've exposed the concrete wall wherever possible. And here at the cooktop, it serves as a raw, brutalist backsplash. And for a bold pop of color, we added these 6 counter chairs. They offer a playful counterbalance to the more static materials around us. One of the benefits of placing the dining room here at the end of the living space is that it's adjacent to 2 large glass walls, and when opened, it offers a seamless flow to the outside. And outdoor living in the city is what I really wanted to celebrate with this project. The pool runs the entire length of the living space. 2/3 of it is covered by the 2nd floor above, and 1/3 is exposed to the New Orleans sun. And when we slide open all of these doors, it completely transforms the space, and it extends the interior living space to the backyard and the pool. We actually configured the living space back here so that we could watch Saints games from the pool or the hot tub. The very architecture of this space enables interaction, and that was my intent. The 2nd floor consists of the private spaces. We wanted each space to have its own bold color to define its identity and mood. Juxtaposed to all of this is our bedroom, which is painted in a neutral gray. I believe bedrooms should be minimal. The only real requirement for a bedroom is a bed and maybe 2 nightstands. In our bathroom, you'll notice a little shelving nook where we kept the concrete exposed between the 2 sinks. It's where my wife likes to display her Mardi Gras memorabilia. We built this roof deck to provide more outdoor leisure space and take advantage of the building's verticality. It's a great place to hang out in the evening and enjoy the fireworks on the 4th of July or New Year's Eve, with an added bonus of downtown New Orleans that can't be beat. What I wanted to convey with the Bienville House was that you could be in a city and still have a relaxed vibe, even in a city as exciting and vibrant as New Orleans. Thanks for taking a look.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.